I have this hooked up to my car. Fairly easy to use and operate. I use the directions there. As you see, it is already on for the car. It's completely charged up. They did emphasize that. I always should have 33. I don't want to have too much, but not too low. It should be 33, and that's what's listed there. I put in 33 by using the plus and minus signs, and it's currently at a 29.4, so it's low. So what I'm going to do is just get this moving here. I think it goes just by itself. Hey, I love it.